I'm Luka. I come from Croatia, in Upper Austria. I work in aerospace industry last 15 years in FCC. Currently working in assembly on block doors, translating sleeves. I work for one company from Croatia, and then one team leader has asked me then if I want to cross to FCC from this company, from Croatia. And then I think why not, because it's definitely found the good jobs for good payment for month. When I come in Austria, for me it's better that registration and insurance is going easy. Now for house, when I buy it and building, do it everything for so 2 months. I have all papers with all signatures and stemples, what I must have it. Then I start for build the house. My children got a better future here in Austria. Here is for me it's better life. And I think so that Austria have that part is great.